नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी लोगों का सोनू स्टडी क्लासेस यूट्यूब चैनल में। दोस्तों मैं आप लोगों को एनसीईआरटी बुक क्लास 9th इंग्लिश चैप्टर 9 इफ आई वेयर यू क्वेश्चन आंसर मैं आप लोगों को इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन। नंबर 1, एट लास्ट ए सिम्फेटिक ऑडियंस। नंबर 1, हु से दिस। नंबर 2, व्हाई डज ही से इट। नंबर 3, ही इज sarcastic of serious. Number 2, why does the interacted choice guarantee us the man whose identity he want to take on? Number 3, I said it with bullets. Number 1, who say this. Number 2, what does it means. Number 3, it is the truth. What is the speaker's reason for saying this. Number 4, what is great profession quite the part of the play that support you answer. Number 5, you eyes on stove being smart. Number 1, who say this. Number 2, why does the speakers say it. Number 3, what according to the speakers will stop Garen from being smart. Number 6, say. Number 6, they cannot hang me twist. Number 1, who say this. Number 2, why does the speaker say it. Number 7, a mastery I proper to explain. What is the mastery the speaker proposes proposes to explain. Number 8, this is your big surprise. Number 1, where has this been said in the play. Number 2, what is the surprise. Answer number first. Number 1, Garrett. Number 2, he say it as he is glad that the intruder asked him to speak about himself. Number 2, yes, he speaks the given dialogues sarcastically. Number 2, Jagged looks similar to the instructor. The instructor is a murdered. The police is after him. His hopes he can easily replicate Garrett's identity and escape being caught. Number 3, I Garrett say this. Number 2, it means that when things went wrong, he had to use this gun to shoot someone for his escapes. Number 3, no, it is not the truth. The speaker say this to escape himself from being sued by the intruder. Number 4, Garrett is a playwright by profession. Several part of the play that reflect this sum of this are a flower. This is a very melodramatic, not very original farce, but at last a sympathetic audience. In most melodramas, the villain is foolish enough to daily his killing long enough to be frustrated. I said you were luckier than most melodramatic villains. That's a disguise outfit, false mouth teacher, and what not. Sorry, I cannot let you have the props in time for rehearsal. We had a sport of water, quite amusing. I think I put it is it in my next play. Number 5. The intruder say the line. Number 2. The speaker say in to make Garrett feel flattened. Number 3. According to the intruder, Garrett would stop being smart once he knew what was going to happen to him. The intruder was not afraid as his plan was to kill Garrett and take over his identity. He felt that then Garrett would know this. He would stop being smart and start getting scared. Number 6. The intruder say the line. Number 2. The intruder had been telling Garrett that he had murdered on man and that he would not back away from murdering him too. He was not afraid, and his plan was to kill Garrett because the police could not link him twice for two murder. Number 7. The mystery that Garrett proposed to explain was the story he made up to fool the intruder and save his own life. The story was that Garrett himself was a criminal like the intruder. He told the intruder that he does not meet people and does not have any visited. The game was up as things had suddenly gone wrong for him. He had committed or murder and got away. Unfortunately, one of his men had been arrested and custodian things were found which his men should have worn. He said that he was expecting some trouble that night and therefore his bag was packed and he was ready to escape. Number 8. This has been said twice in the play. The first occasion was when the intruder revolves his plan to kill Garrett's scornfully. It is spoken by Garrett before he reveals his fictitious identity to the interactor. Number 2. The intruder a surprise. He his is his plan to kill Garrett and take on his identity to get away and lead a secure, has free life where Garrett. Its surprise is his false identity, which he portends to the intruder to save himself from being killed. Question number first. Consult your dictionary and choose the correct word for from the pairs given in bracket. Number 1. The site city of the accident was ghostly. Number 2. Our college principal is very strict. Number 3. I studied continuously continuously for 8 hours 8 hours. Number 4. The fog had an adverb effect on the traffic. Number 5. Cézanne, for famous French painter, was a brilliant artist. Number 6. The book that you gave me yesterday is an extraordinary ordinary, college of science, fictions and maestry. Number 7. Our school will host an exhibition on cruelty to any animals and wildlife conversion. Number 8. Scrape he the lid tightly onto the top of the bottle and shake. Shape will before using the construct. Answer number first. The number 8. The side of the accident accident was ghastly. Number 2. Our college principal is very strict. Number 3. I studied continuously for 8 hours. Number 4. The fog had an adverse effect on the traffic. Number 5. Cajun. The famous French painter was a brilliant artist. Number 6. The books that you gave my study in is an extraordinary college of science function and masterly. Number 7. Our school will host an exhibition on cruelty to animals and wildlife conservation. Number 8. Scribe the lead tightly onto the top of the bottle and shake well before using the contents. Question number second. Is on ironically is when we say the on things but means another, usually the posi- opposite of what we say. When someone makes a mistake and you say, oh, that was clever, that is irony. You saying clever to mean not clever. Expressions we after using in a ironic fashion are, oh, was not that clever, on that was clever. You have been a great help. I must say you we got yourself into a lovely man's have not you. Oh, very funny. How funny. We use a slightly different tone of voice when we use this word ironically. Read the play carefully and find the word and expression Garrett user in a ironic way. Then say what these expressions really meant. Two example have been given below. Write down this more such expressions along with what they really mean. What the other say, what he means. Why this a surprise, Mr. Ear? At last, a sympathetic audience. He pretends that the intruder is a social visitor whom he is welcoming. In this way, he hides his fear. He pretends that the intruder want to listen to him. Awareness he where where's actually the intruder want to find out information for his own use. Answer number second. What the other say, what he means. A magistrate which I propose to example. Here Garrett want to tell about himself to be a masterly man. In other words, he is dogging the intruder. Yes, I wish sorry to do it, but it has just got to be done. He means if the intruder kills Garrett, he will feel sorry, but he has to kill him. Careful, boss, I am watching you. Look for yourself. Garrett asked the intruder to be very careful and told that the police is after him. The telephone being ring and Gather asked the intruder to move when Garrett opened his door and moved the intruder. Listen forward to inspect, inspected it once he turned his heard Garrett given him a push into the cop down cop board and lock. Dictionary use. Question number 1. A word can mean different things is different context. Look at this question. This sentence. The students are taught to respect different calculates. The school is organizing a calculal. So his voice is equal to red. In the first sentence, calculator noun means way of life. In the sound, calculator objective means connected with arts, literature, and music. And in the third, to read verb means sophisticated, well manner. Usually, a dictionary help you identify the right meaning by giving your signposts. Looks at the dictionary entry on culture from Oxford Advantage Learner डिक्शनरी 2005. Noun, verb, objective, adverb, synonyms, etc. are signposts which help you locate the right meaning and using and give information about the part of speech that the word is. Look up the dictionary entry for the word sympathy, familiarity, comfort, care, and surprise. Use the information given in the dictionary and complete the table. Noun, objective, adverb, verb, meaning. Sympathy, familiarity, comfort, care, surprise. Answer: noun, adjective, adverb, verb, meaning. Sympathy, sympathetically, sympathis, compassion, compassion. Familiarity, family, familiarity, familiarize parents and their children. Comfort, comfortable, comfortably, comfort, making you feel physical relaxes. Care, careful, carefully, care, feel that something is important and worth worrying about. Surprise, surprised, surprisingly, surprise, to make something feel surprised. Speaking. Question number 1. Imagine you are Garrett. Tell you friend what happened when the intruder broke into your hours. Clover. Describe first the intruder. His appearance. He the why the spoke this plane. His moment. Etc. How you outwitted him. Number second. Enact the play in the class. Pay special attendance to word given in italics before a dialogue. This word will tell you whether the dialogue has to be said in a happy, sarcastic, or ironic tone, and how the character move and what they do. You do ask, then speak. Read this careful before you enact the play. Answer number first. One day when I was packing my bag to travel outdoor, suddenly I saw that a there had entered my cottage. He was an intruder. How he were spectacular, and his clothes were flashy black. He had put on a long overcoat and a soft hat. He had a revolver his in his hand. He was of about medium height and resembled with me. He spoke like me, and his manner and body movement were looks like a ran out. This therefore, before I could react, he pointed the revolver at me and asked on to tell everything about myself. I was party perturbed and shocked, but keep myself in balance. He wanted to impersonate me by killing, but I made up a false story at the same time and revealed that I too was a criminal like him and had disguised closer in the cupboard. In order to convince him, I took the intruder to the cupboard. As he peeped in, I got a change to push him inside the cupboard. I just looked him this and collect the police to hand him over in a way. I outweighted the intruder. Number two, it is the classroom activity, so do yourself. Question number 1. Which of the word below describe generate and which describe the intruder? Smart, humorous, clever, beautiful, cook, confident, flashy, witty, nonchalant. Write a paragraph each about Garant and the intruder to show what qualities they have. You can use some of the word. Give a verb. Number second, convert the play into a story. 150 200 words. Your story should be as exciting and as witty as the play. Provide a suitable title to it. Answer number 1. I following word describe Garrett. Beautiful, cook, confident, flashy, witty. Garrett was a beautiful, witty person having most of the quality of mind and soul. He was cook and confident. He were a flashy, code. code. He told that he was a gang leader. Dolly wanted by police. He is height, cultured, and outrider. The intruder, his sense of humor and confidence, Eva help him to overcome from the difficult situation. The following words describe intruder: smart, clever, flashy, non challenge. The intruder was a clever and smart run out from the police. He was a non-challenged person. Is escaping from the arrest, he wore a flashy overcoat which resembled with Gerant. He wanted to kill Gerant and take his identity. He had a revolver in his hand to murder Gerant, but he was intrigued by Garrett. Second, victory of confident. Once an intruder into Garrett cottage, he wanted to kill Garrett with a revolver. During that time, Garrett was busy on the phone. After seeing the intruder, Garrett did not lose his peace for of mind. The intruder revealed that he was a jewel. This he had killed a policeman and the police was after him. He wanted to avoid the police by telling Garrett identity. Garrett somehow co- concocted a story and told that he too was a criminal like him. He told the intruder that by killing him he will be accused of double murder. As a proof, he showed his traveling bag. He told the intruder that one of his friend was standing below on the road. As soon as the police arrived, he would inform Garrett to escape timely to show his friend. Garrett to took a intruder near the cupboard and pushed him into the cupboard and locked it from outside. Garrett called the police to arrest the intruder. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.